If your SD card got corrupted and your Sony camera's files will not open, do not format the card yet. Please listen to me first. A lot of people lose their recovery chances in the first few minutes, not because the files are impossible to recover, but because they do the wrong things or follow the wrong steps too early. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover all your Sony camera's files back from a corrupted SD card, what you should avoid first, and also what order you should do to improve your chances in getting all those RAW files back. So let's get into it. First, let's talk why this even happens in the first place, and it usually starts with one of these very common problems. Maybe the card was removed too early, or maybe the transfer was interrupted, or maybe the camera lost its power while writing, and even the SD card itself may have a file system damage or bad sectors. Now, when this happens, your Sony camera files may disappear or fail to open or just act very glitchy, and usually doing trial and error fixes may even worsen the problem itself because we're dealing with RAW files. They are very sensitive. So what not to do first? Well, before you try any recovery process, you need to stop using that card immediately. Do not take more photos onto it. Do not format it just because the camera or computer tells you to. And do not recover files back into that same SD card. Every writing operation increases the chances of overwriting recoverable files. So the safest option is this one. Stop using that card and recover first. So now, talking about the safest recovery path, meaning the order that you do things to increase the chances of everything going all right. If the card is being detected and recognized by the computer, you should first scan it and recover the files from it, and then you move into the repair actions. So this is where a recovery software and tool truly makes sense. So if you want to recover all your Sony camera files back super quick and super fast, we cannot recommend enough Wondershare Recoverit, as it scans your card through all unrecognized and undetectable photo files, including RAW formats. If you want to try it, you can use the link in the description down below, and I will show you now the easiest workflow to do all of this. Let's first connect the SD card with a stable card reader or the MacBook slot to insert the SD card itself, then open Recoverit and select that same corrupted SD card. Run a full scan and let it search for all recoverable files. Preview the files that you can still recover, especially your Sony camera images. Then recover those files to a different drive, not into the same SD card, because that order matters. Recover first, repair and format later if you still need to. If some of the recovered files from your Sony camera still will not open, then that means that the file data itself was partially damaged before recovery. Now, in this case, you can try converting your RAW SD card into FAT32. And this happens mostly when the camera stopped writing halfway or when the SD card corruption affected the file image itself. So first, insert the SD card into the slot on your Mac and then navigate to Finder, Applications, and then Utilities. Let's open this utility, then click View in the top left corner and select Show All Devices. Now select the RAW SD card and click the Erase button, then let's type a new name for your card and then choose MS-DOS, FAT or exFAT for the format field. This is basically FAT32. Then select Master Boot Record, MBR, for the scheme if available. Click Erase and wait for the process to finish, then click Done. Now this is a very practical solution to save your files. And if sadly this doesn't work, your goal should still be to recover as many RAW files as you possibly can, because a few is still better than nothing, and nobody likes to go on a shoot day and have nothing later on. So even if you get 2 or 3 files, that's still a win. So to recap and to conclude all of this, if you want to recover your Sony camera files from a corrupted SD card, then follow this order, which is stop using the card, do not format it, scan it as soon as possible, and then recover those files into another drive. This truly increases the chances in getting your RAW files from your Sony camera and not make the situation much worse. Now, if this video helped you in any way, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos and tutorials just like this one. And please be sure to also drop in the comments down below any other issues that you might have, Mac or Windows related. We read through all of the comments and try to respond as soon as possible. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.